Friday morning, 6:15, we're going fishing. Where are we going today, Sharif?
Yeah, we are going to near to the Saadiyat Island.
Yeah.
And in front of the Saadiyat Island, we are looking for the hamur, Queenfish and Barracuda.
Okay.
We have to get resident.
Hope we catch any.
Yes, especially big hamur.
Fish. Fish on.
Barracuda.
Nice one, huh?
Yeah, it's quite heavy.
Nice. That could be the first 10-pounder.
Yeah.
Look at that. That could be the first 10-pounder. He's not happy, huh?
Yeah. He's the calamari.
Ooh, smelly.
Yeah, he's the calamari.
Sean,
Finally.
yeah. They've been teasing us the whole morning, jumping around the boat. Now, when I was just about to say let's go home, finally we got one on.
Yeah, Queenfish.
Quite nice. He's quite a fighter.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, he's a fighter.
Yeah.
He's strong.
Yeah.
Or she.
Wow. Fighting.
Yeah. So silver worked better than blue today. Huh?
Yeah.
That's funny. He's got really power.
Yeah.
I'm more tired than the fish. It's not giving up. Come on.
Not so big, but
Beautiful fight. Huh? Okay.
yeah.
Pull him in. How heavy do you think it is? 8? 6, 7?
6 pounds.
Yeah. Okay, I think that's it for today, yeah?
Yeah.
Let's go home.
There you go, fine.
Don't jump.
Is that Queen?
The fish we're catching.
And the birds also is there? Yeah, the birds.
I also got a bird and a fish.
Oh my God.
Yeah, the bird.
Is that? Show the rod.
Film again.
On the front.
His foot.
Ready?
Okay, you can relax a little bit. Think he was gonna make it? No, huh? Probably not, sir. Okay, here's our fish. Gaff.
Are you okay, baby?
So we thought the day was over, but we have one more. Oh, poor bird. Huh?
Yeah.
Shall we catch him and take him
Yeah,
to the land?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Just give your hand.
Yeah, let's get the bird if we can. Here's our friend. Okay. Hey, no. Okay, yalla, let's go.
Good, very.
Put him into a place to rest and dry, and then we're gonna see. We'll put him in here to dry.
Yeah.
We'll put you in here for half an hour. We'll check on you later, my dear. Okay? Okay. Okay. So what do we have today?
2 queen and 2 barracuda.
2 queen to barracuda, all in black squid ink. Barracuda. 7 only. Huh.
7, yeah.
I thought it was more.
Fish.
7, 8.
How many?
7, 8. Alright, well, that was the end of our fishing trip today. 7, 10.
Yeah.
We'll report back on the bird next week. So what happened to our bird?
Birds go fly.
Really?
Yeah.
How long did it take?
It took almost yesterday and up to around like 9, 10 o'clock. It's gone.
Yeah?
That's a good thing for us.
Alright, good news.
Yeah.